The bake and ship model is designed for people who like baked goods, who have no time to bake. The Bake and Ship is an online platform that allows users to submit recipes to be baked and then shipped for eating. Unlike your ordinary online recipe sites, our product offers a new and convenient way to try out new recipes. We hope you like it. To remind ourselves of the differences between a free model and a multi-sided platform. The free model, according to Osterwalder, is characterized by a large user base benefiting from a free, no-strings-attached offer. In essence, a small base of paying users usually subsidizes the free users. For the sake of this conversation and easy understanding, we will refer to the bait and hook model, which is based on a free or inexpensive offer to lure customers into repeat purchases. The multi-sided platform, on the other hand, is more focused on serving multiple consumer segments. As a reminder, our original model is based on a niche customer who simply would like to try out a new recipe. The primary value proposition is based on the convenience factor. On the next few slides, we will explore how the alternative models could influence the canvas. Currently, the niche model looks something like this. The value proposition focuses primarily on two components. The first is the convenience factor, and the other is generating additional income. When looking at canvas patterns, it begins to look something like this. With the limited subscription, the bakers bid on individual recipe submissions. With the annual subscription, it maximizes the revenue potential for all three actors. The primary actors in this situation are the bake and ship platform itself, the customers, and the bakers. In essence, our basic pricing mechanism is based on the fixed list pricing. For the subscription models combined with a dynamic pricing structure that relies on real time-to-market dynamics between the baker bids and the customer demands. For the most part, our basic model is grounded in fixed pricing. It includes variable costs in the form of supply and demand in order to address fluctuation. The goal and objective of this model is to create and grow an annual subscription-based model as a way to offset revenue fluctuations or related challenges. As you can see, the freemium model as an option can be easily applied to the bake and ship concept through offering customers a first-time recipe trial. To accomplish this strategy, a dedicated baker would be resourced as part of the full-time cost structure. Obviously, the trial is designed to maximize the benefits associated with the convenience factor. The second and perhaps underestimated factor is social media, the use of social media. Creating a reliable and convenient service that results in tasty baked goods is what it's all about. And it is something that we want the world to know about. So, as part of the initial trial, we might include a social media feature such as tweeting out a message about how good our bake and ship treats are. By doing this, the customer would be entitled to, say, maybe 2 more free trials. So spreading the word is key. Bake and Ship is coming to your desktop and mobile soon. As you can see here, the added trial feature becomes value-driven in the form of a free trial. In order to meet this demand, it now needs to be included as part of our cost structure. Some will argue at first glance this approach generates on costs, but we view this as a form of strategic advertising that has the potential to generate new users and customers. Coincidentally, this approach is indirectly related to our growth hacking strategy. Once we establish the basic market fit, scalability through premium is key, along with a viral lift through social media and word of mouth. To maintain momentum, we believe that retaining and optimizing customers could be slowly realized through offering both an annual and limited subscriptions. We think it's a plan. So here's another look at our basic model. Now let's see what happens when we introduce a multi-sided platform to the canvas. As you can see, we introduce caterers and restaurant owners to the segment. These two segments could offer new insights and opportunities to the overall model. As a way to understand how the model could evolve, we feel this scenario has great potential. The value proposition in this scenario would most likely focus primarily on the convenience factor for both segments. When using the multi-sided approach, most likely the requirements for the service will change. In addition to the recipes, the quantity of orders may begin to rise. As a result, this could potentially require the need for bakers who have the capacity to handle the larger orders. Because of this situation, the model begins to take on a new form with new requirements. So as you can see, by new requirements, the multi-sided platform will require baking partners who have the capability to handle large orders and to accommodate both the caterers and restaurants. Again, as you can see, the model simply represents a new form with some new requirements.